What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your QR code to your profile in Rednote. So click the three lines on the upper left hand side, then on the lower part of the phone you will see scan. So you tap on that. Now what's going to happen is going to quickly open up your camera trying to scan a particular QR code, and you will use this if you want to scan someone QR code. But in order to share your QR code, simple tap on my QR code at the bottom and you will see your profile loads up, and there's a QR code here towards the lower right hand side. So that person will do the same thing, open up the QR code and just basically scan your profile with the QR code. It will quickly detect and they'll find your profile, right? So if you also want to share your profile and download your QR code, you can do that as well. On the lower part you have two buttons, scan and save. You can save your QR code, or you can share your profile by simple tap on the share, and you can share that with some friends, or for example, right? And that's it.